Okay, so our topic now is about linear equation. Okay, so unang question is, ano natin kukunin ang x-intercept? Say for example, we have this general form of 3x plus 7y minus 4 is equals to 0. This is general form for linear equation. Okay, so when we are getting the x-intercept, okay, so x-intercept, okay, so let y is equals to 0, okay. So for this one, alright, so 3x plus, okay, substitute the value of y, this is 0, minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so cancel this one. Okay, so 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Next thing is you have to transpose this to another side. So it will become 3x equals to positive 4. Right? So next step is you have to divide it with 3 so that it will be removed and then x will be remained. Okay, so 3. So cancelled out. So x is equals to 4 over 3, and this is your x-intercept. So for y-intercept, okay, y-intercept, okay, so let x is equals to 0. Okay, so 3x, okay, this one, so 3x plus, okay, that's 0, substitute na lang natin 3 and then 0 plus 7 y is minus 4, okay, minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, cancel 7y minus 4 is equals to 0. Let's transpose this one to another side. That will become 7y minus equals to positive 4. Right? The next is divided by 7. Okay, both sides. So cancel. Y is equals to 4 over 7. And this is our y-intercept. Right? So, okay. So this is paano natin kukunin yung x and y intercept for linear equation. Alright? So what if, okay, so paano natin i-identify yung line? Alright, so that's the next topic. Say for example, we have the slope of 3 and point 3 and 2. Okay? So, paano natin i-identify ang lines using y as equals to mx plus b? Okay? So, this is the formula. Alright, so paano natin siya gagawin? Well, of course, you have to substitute. Okay, what is y? That is 2. Then, m, that is the slope. Okay, so m is a slope. Alright, so it's slope 3. So, yes, it's 3. And then x is negative 3 plus b. Okay, so this is the formula. Alright, so next is 2. 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9 plus b. Okay, so next is 2. What you're going to do is to transpose this negative 9 to here. Okay, so that will become 9 is equals to b. Then b is equals to 11. So therefore, the value of b, or the y-intercept for this one, for this equation, is 11. Right? So b is 11. Right? So I hope it's clear. Next, paano natin kukunin yung slope? Okay? How to get the slope? Okay? So we have the formula which is y sub 1 minus y sub 0 over x sub 1 minus x sub 0. Okay? So, say for example, we have the points which is 3 and 2, and then it's 4 and it's 2. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So, paano natin siya kukunin yung slope? Alright, so y sub 1, okay, this is y sub 0, this is x sub 0, okay, so this is x sub 0, and this is y sub 0, this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. Alright, so substitute, what is y sub 1? That is negative 2, and then what is y sub 0? Okay, that is 2, okay, so 2 over x sub 1, that is negative 4, minus x sub 0, okay, so that's 3, okay, so negative times positive, that's negative, okay, so this one is negative times positive, that's negative, so that's 4, negative 4 minus 3, alright, so negative 2 minus negative 2, that's negative 4, negative 4 minus 3, that is negative 7. Okay, so this is our slope of the equation. So let's try to prove if these points are correct. So this is point 1 and this is point 2. Okay, so let's try to prove. Alright, so that's 3. Okay, so that's 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So dito yung points niyan. This is P1. What about for P2? That is, okay, so that's negative 4 and negative 2. Okay, so balik dito. Okay, so dito. Okay, yeah. If we connect the line, right, something like that. Okay, so bilangin natin starting from P1, this is P2. Alright, so negative 4 and negative 7. Okay, so it means that's negative, so the rise is going down. So M is equals to rise over run. Okay, so rise here is going down, it's negative, negative 4. So you have to count starting here, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and here. Okay, so let's try to put imaginary. Negative 7, so it's this right, the run of the equation. Okay, so ang behavior niya is going to the left. Okay, so start from here, this imaginary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And well, of course, this one is correct. Okay, so this is how to prove. Alright, so what if we will be getting, okay, so what if we will be getting the general form, or we will be finding the general form. Paano natin siya gawing general form? So next is, we have a formula which is y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 equals to y sub 1 minus y sub 0 over x sub 1 minus x sub 0. Okay, this is our next formula. So we are going finding the general form. Okay, general form. Okay, so general form. Now, what is y sub 1? Okay, so here y is equals to no, not equals, but y. Okay, y is minus. What is y sub 1? That is, okay, negative 2. So you need to put parenthesis. And then for x minus, what is x sub 1? That's negative 4. Yes, of course it's negative. You have to put parenthesis. What is y sub 1 here? That's it's negative 2 minus positive 2. Okay. For the denominator, that's negative 4 x sub 1. That is, yes, x sub 1. And then x sub 0 minus, okay, 3. Right. So here, next. So negative times negative, that's positive 2. So meaning y plus 2 over negative times negative 4, that's x plus, okay, 4. Okay, equals. Okay, so equals, okay, negative times negative 2, that's negative 2 minus 2 over negative 4 minus 3. Okay? So, continue natin dito. Okay, so dito na lang. Okay, so, y plus 2 over x plus 4. Okay? Equals to negative 2 minus negative 2, that's negative 4. Okay? Negative 4, then it's negative 7. Okay? So cross multiply. Okay. So cross multiply. Alright, so cross multiply. Okay? So y plus 2 plus negative 7 equals to x plus 4 multiplied by negative 4. Okay? So now, okay, so negative 7 times y, that's negative 7y. And then negative 2 times positive 2 times negative 7, that is negative 14. Okay? And this one is negative 4 times x, that's negative 4x. Negative 4 times 4, that's 16. Negative 16. Okay? So that's negative 16. Then, next, transpose. Okay? Transpose. So magiging 4x from negative to the other side, it becomes positive. 4x minus, transpose this one to the other side, that will become positive 16. Okay? So 4x, so equals to 0. Okay? So 4x minus 7y, okay? Add or subtract the same terms. 14, negative 14 plus 16, that's positive 2 equals to 0. And this is our answer. So I hope you learned something from this topic, and I hope you enjoy for this. Thank you.